Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Safira Elfirdausi. In this video, I want to show my presentation. There is problem 1. Mr. Thompson is a linguist studying the use of language in news reporting. He is particularly interested in how language can convey bias, shape public opinion, and influence the perception of news events. Mr. Thompson analyzed articles from various news outlets covering the same event to identify linguistic patterns that may indicate bias. He also considered the impact of these linguistic choices on the audience's understanding and interpretation of the news. The question, what linguistic features should Mr. Thompson focus on to identify bias in news reporting? Discuss at least 3 features and explain how they can contribute to biases reported. To solve Mr. Thompson's problem, the linguistic that he can use is journalism. Because in applied linguistics, journalism is studied as a real-world use of language that influence how people think, feel, and understand events. Journalism also helps us to identify bias and hidden ideologies in the news, understand the impact of media language on society, promote more fair and responsible communication in journalism. There is features that can contribute to biases reporting. First, discourse. Examines how journalism structures news articles such as headlines, leads, quotes, help reveal hidden ideologies or bias in reporting. Critical discourse analysis (CDA), a subfield of applied linguistics that studies power ideology and bias in language. In journalism, critical discourse analysis (CDA) investigates how word choices influence reader opinions, how voices are included or excluded, how events are framed. For example, how different outlets report the same political event differently. Language and power. Journalism often work with language in ways that reflect or challenge power structure. Applied linguistics studies how news reports shape public perception, political attitudes, and cultural norms through language. The word choices, lexical choices, studies how specific words investigates which facts are emphasized or ignored in a story. Example, riot with protest have different views of influence perception. The source quoted, quotation, and attribution patterns. Examines who's quoted and how their speech is present. Example, crime admitted, argue instead, and substitute cost up or credibility. The headlines and image use. Multimodal analysis look at how different types of communication, not just word but also image, layout, and design work together to convey meaning in news reporting. Example, a headline that says chaos in the Capitol alongside an image of fire, police thus creates a strong emotional reaction even before the reader sees any fact. Problem 2. Imagine you are a language planner working for the government of a country with diverse linguistic landscape. The country has several indigenous languages spoken by different ethnic groups, as well as develop a language policy that promotes linguistic diversity, ensuring effective communication and national unity. The question, how can the government promote the use and perception of English language through education? As a language planner, to solve this kind of problem, I will promote indigenous language through the education system because the education system is one of the most effective ways to ensure their perfection and realization. It is important to maintain national unity through a shared language or further communication. Implement mother tongue-based multilingual education (MTB, MLA). This kind of implementation helps us to improve understanding and cognitive development. Start education in children's home or community language, indigenous language, especially in early childhood and primary school, to encourage participation and reduce dropout rates, and also build pride and cultural identity. The national language can possibility international language like English or Mandarin can be introduced as traditional Language not replacement, because the mother language should be their first language. Train and employ indigenous language teacher. Invest in training teachers who are fluent in indigenous language and understand the local reflect the linguistic and cultural reality of students. The development of culturality can reach appropriate teaching materials, local teacher training center in multilingual region, scholarship for speakers on indigenous language to become teachers. Include indigenous language and culture in the curriculum. Make indigenous language learning a part of the national curriculum, not just in the region where they can spoken. This helps cultural studies program that promote respect and understanding of all ethnic groups. Celebration of language diversity like National Language Day and make language classes for heritage learners. Encourage community involvement and language documentation. We can work with local communities, elders, and linguistics to document and integrate language in local oral tradition. School can partner with communities too, such as how they record traditional songs, stories, and rituals, create language archive for dictionaries, encourage international language transmission. That's all for my presentation. I'm sorry if there are any mistakes. Thank you so much.